Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss some important points regarding Abrus precarious poisoning. The important points include its class, fatal period, fatal dose, active principle, the main sign and symptoms, which are the characteristics of Abrus precarious poisoning with which the patient presents after exposure, medical legal importance, and finally its treatment and how we will treat this condition. Coming toward the class, so it's basically an organic irritant poison which acts locally. Its fatal dose is 1 to 2 seeds and fatal period is 3 to 5 days. Active principle include the compound named as abrin or toxalbumin. Main sign and symptoms include there are two conditions that if a person injects Abrus precarious poison in the body, the symptoms will be different, and if it is ingested orally, the symptoms will be different. So when it is injected into the body directly into the venous system or arterial system, means that in the blood directly, there is swelling, ecchymosis, necrosis, vertigo, cardiac arrhythmia, and convulsions, and if not treated, it will lead to death of the person. But when it is ingested orally, the signs and symptoms include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, collapse, and then death if not treated. Medical legal importance includes the main deaths are by accidental exposure to the Abrus precarious, like someone has accidentally eaten the leaves or its compounds. Many person may take this poison for suicidal purpose. Abrus precarious is used for the treatment of endogenous depression. Can also be used for cattle poisoning. May also be used for homicidal poisoning, and Abrus precarious is used as arrow poison. Now this is very important point, that it is used as an arrow poison. Now coming towards treatment, Abrus precarious poisoning is treated by removing the patient from the site of exposure, from the removal of the SOE. Give anti-aberrant to the patient if it is available. Uh, can also be treated by giving hydrochloric acid pepsin mixture. And in order to alkalize urine, um, a patient may also be given sodium bicarbonate so that its active compounds may be secreted as soon as possible from the patient's body. These are some important points which you must have to know. If you have any question, just comment it down. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.